Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Mossy, aka Cypex Trades, and today I'm just going to go over a quick trade review breakdown. So another day, another trade, and yeah, today I'm actually red again, once again. Not the best way to end the month, personally, but you know, it is what it is, and I'm still in the learning process. So without further ado, let's just make this quick breakdown, and let's just dive into it. So today I only traded two tickers. It was Tesla and SPY, and I'm down today, total PNL 58 after being originally down 120, and after coming back with SPY, nice trade with SPY, back at 58. So I'll take that. But let's go ahead and get the elephant out of the room. The biggest loser of the day, the big red of the day, Tesla, being Tesla. So I had these levels marked out. Personally, um, I don't know, man. Like, I'm gonna be honest. I had these levels marked, but looking at the bigger time frame, like there wasn't any, you know, that much opportunity, like in terms of, I don't know, like if you let's look at the level here. So if we look at here, it's breaking out of a descending triangle, and this looks like it's falling back into it at the moment, but or it's trying to hold it or whatever. But as you guys can see here, these candles, yesterday's price action, not the best, being red on that as well, and today. Coming into the pre-market, I just had these levels on watch because of being since I'm a level to level trader. Um, I had these levels on watch, and especially this 200 key level here, which we hit. And yeah, so coming into the day, honestly, my game plan was to short this below. Um, Actually, not short this. Sorry, what am I saying? I'm thinking about yesterday's trades. My game plan was to actually go long above 200, and if we hold 200, and right off the market open, I saw like a lot of strength, and I never trade right off the open, to be honest with you, especially not even 1 minute after the open. So what I did was, yeah, I did the dumbest thing I could ever done and traded right off the open, and I was obliterated right into these contracts right here, two contracts at 210. I believe these were the 210 calls, and these were the cheapest one to add the money. And yeah, so right off the open, I got obliterated. Entered like right around this candle here, between this candle, reversed on me, and I didn't respect my stop loss. My initial stop loss was that I was gonna exit out around. I think I entered right here. To be honest with you, okay, I know where I entered now. I entered like right around here, the break of 201.75, which I marked here. I entered like around right here, and my stop loss was initially 201.70, 75, like around there. Basically, if we didn't hold this level, and the way that I personally never experienced a reversal like this fast, so I wasn't used to it, and it broke right through my stop loss, and I was like, oh shit, So I was like, yo, like, are we gonna come back or no? And I held it all the way through here, which is yeah, looking back at it, it was just very undisciplined and not sticking to my stop loss, which is something that I'm not proud of, and definitely will be journaling. But yeah, entered out of here, quickly exited out for 160. I believe it was a $96 loss. And yeah, so let's go on to the next trade, um, where I took another. Well, actually, the reason why it says 120 here is because I accidentally entered calls when I was looking at SPY chart, and I had a Tesla contract pulled up, so I lost 20 bucks there. But it is what it is. That's just dumb me. I didn't look at the contract because I was looking at SPY, and it is what it is though. But anyway, the second trade was on today was SPY trade, a beautiful trade, to be honest with you. Very happy with this one, very satisfied with this one. On watch were these levels that I had coming into the day, knowing that these are the key levels that I don't watch. If we opened, seeing pre-market how we were coming down, I was looking actually for us to go more to the downside, if we didn't hold this 415.70 level, 417. What am I saying? 417.50 level. And as we came here, if we look at the small time frame, price action was actually very good along with volume. We came here right around. So yeah, we broke here, and I waited for the retest. And this is a beautiful trade because I entered right in the retest. I entered like right in this candle. Where's the? Come on, man. So I entered like right on this candle here, and I was like, okay, I can see these red candles making their way. I was watching on the 1 minute time frame for my entry. I was like, okay, I can see these red candles, struggling to hold this 450, 417.50 bid. and I entered right here 2 contracts at 136, and pretty much rode it all the way down because I was looking at the bigger time frame and I was like, yeah, there's no way. Like once we break this level, we're definitely gonna go down to 41650, which is another key level that I had plotted. So basically, a beautiful move all around. Great trade. Held it all the way here. Trimmed 1 contract here because I was like, this is my first profit target level and my level that I didn't want to, do too greedy or whatever. And yeah, trimmed here at 170, and I held one contract here for a runner to potentially see if we can break 1650. But as you guys can see, we consolidated here and rounded up and chopped around, and then came back up. So it didn't happen, and I was waiting for this candle close. If we didn't get a candle close below this, I was not gonna um, keep the position. So yeah, I basically trimmed it out here for 160, and that's pretty much it. There's 2 trades today. Nothing special. Need to hold myself accountable. Broke my rules. Um, the first trade, it was just disappointing to look at because it wasn't the most high probability setup. Speaking, because I didn't wait for a break and retest, I straight up just chased it, and that's something that I need to work on internally and psychologically. So I was gonna say physically, what the heck? But anyway, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.